school. You are concerned about your words. And the same thing is here. We are also concerned about our students. So our motto is to improve the students' skills. So whether it is academic or other skills. So this is our an effort that we want our students must be fluent in English. They must be able to explain the things. Means we are working on experiential learning. According to new education policy, we have to work on the cognitive skills of the students. So from the initial stage only, we have just started. This is just a beginning. So I hope in the coming days, these students will grow and they will shine. So we are showing the things that in what way they are happening. Means we are giving them real life experience. And you might have observed that during the summer vacation, there was, summer camp of 12 days. And during those days, we had organized many sessions by eminent personalities and the persons, those who are qualified from USA. One was Dr. Manan Gupta. Pandemic, everybody was in depression. Everybody was feeling anxiety because the children were just confined to four walls and they were not allowed to move outside. They were not coming into the classroom where they could enjoy the company of their peer group. So they have missed a lot. And parents, they are also doing their own work. They are paying, they are just sparing some time for their wards, but still the children want their friends. So they might be somewhere feeling alone, loneliness, because they were not able to meet their friends. They were not able to enjoy with their friends due to COVID, pandemic. So during that time, how to maintain the balance? Dr. Manan Gupta told us that he gave many important tips. By following these tips, we could just improve our mental health. After that, we had one session in which Arjun Gaur told the students that how can we protect ourselves from the third wave of pandemic. So by doing the exercise of lungs, he is also qualified from USA. Another was how to protect our eyes. The students were on, the classes were online, right? The children were supposed to sit in front of the screen for a longer time. And screen, obviously, that adversely impacts our eyes. So how to protect our eyes? Sometimes the children are feeling that they are feeling dryness in their eyes, right? And so many other problems. So Muhammad Yusuf, who is having 10 years experience in our countries, so he told the students that how to protect their eyes. In the same way, the children, it's not like that if the children are in 9th and 10th, only then we have to give them the career guidance. So it can be given any time. Now they are just rock clay only. So if we will just show some direction, they can prepare their mind for some future career option. So there was Major General Major Moore. So he guided the students that how can they make their career in defense. In that way, we had many sessions. And during online classes also, I had one session, Principal Ki Pathshala. I hope you all have attended that. And in the time of offline classes also, I took one session of Principal Ki Pathshala here only. The girls from 3rd to 5th were there. So there was some special session for the girls. You know that the girls need some special knowledge and education regarding on different topics. So that also we are giving at the early age only. So that they must not feel any problem. And if they face such kind of problem, they must be confident and they must be able to handle the situation. This is our duty. Okay. And apart from that, so many great sessions were organized by Lead School, like Sania Mirza was there, and Sunil Gavaskar was there. So many Chetan Bhagat was there. So many great personalities had shared their inputs and insights. They have motivated the students. So that these sessions were really, really great. It's not easy to just have these kind of personalities on such a short span of time and in such an easy way. So they have organized for us only, just to motivate the students. So in that way, we will just continue with the things, and nowadays my students are just doing activities as we promised that activity kit will be there, so the students will be performing and doing the activities and then they will be learning the things. So I hope we are just trying our best, and we have started on another skill, that how to remove the stage phobia. We have just started. So very soon the students, you will find that there will be a great change, and you will find a great difference in your wards. So it's our effort only. I wish my the diligent faculty group is here. So they are doing the best, and we need your cooperation as you have already done till now. So we are seeking the same cooperation from your side in the future also. So definitely that if we will just join our hands together, so we can give really a great result. So I hope you all want that your ward must excel. So that is the same is our motto only. So we are working on the same thing. So अभी एक छोटा सा इवेंट जो बच्चों ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, that is student led conference. So what is that? Means the students have prepared some models, and they are going to show you that in what way, means on what basis they have made the models, how do they work, how they are useful in our real life. So we are becoming aware about the importance of each and everything in our real life. Apart from that, they will be improving their speaking skill and how to explain and exhibit the things, right? Apart from this, like I won't take much time. I would say, first of all, because some festivals are about to come, and I will just send my wishes, but as you are here face to face, I would like to say,
I think Paul.
yeah. So Merry Christmas to all of you in advance, and happy New Year to all of you from the Nishant Public School family. Thank you so much.
We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come on, May. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come on, May. So join in the celebration, it's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought our chest for you. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come on, May. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come on, May.
Like hosting an event, I just want to narrate a very small story. And this story is about Alva Edison, Thomas Alva Edison, जिन्होंने बल्ब की इन्वेंशन की थी. जब थॉमस अल्वा एडिशन छोटे थे तो वो टॉम के नाम से जाने जाते थे, और जब टॉम स्कूल में जाते थे तो कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे लाइक नॉटी चीजें कर देते थे। कभी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, मतलब तब तो बल्ब वगैरह वो नहीं हुई थी, मतलब वो कुछ ऐसी चीजें करते थे जिससे टीचर्स को लगता था कि ये इसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता, right? And Tom grew up again when he was in grade 5. तब तो टीचर्स ने हार ही मान ली। उन्होंने बोला कि जितना नटखट ये है, इसको स्पेशल स्कूल में डालना पड़ेगा, हमारे स्कूल में टॉम के लिए वो जगह ही नहीं है, right? But if you look at Thomas Alva Edison, he grew up, he became a scientist, and when he won the Nobel Prize, he said, and I'm quoting what he said, "I did not learn from the textbook. I took out things from the textbook and I learned it on my own." तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि टेक्स्ट बुक से मैंने नहीं सीखा, मैं टेक्स्ट बुक की नॉलेज को बाहर निकाल के मैंने जो किया उससे मैं सीखा। एंड आई थिंक वही थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन की उन लाइंस को ही हम याद करते हुए हम स्टूडेंट लेड कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे बच्चे टेक्स्ट बुक की जो नॉलेज है उसको बाहर निकाल के एक्सपीरियंशियल तरीके से सीखें और उसको एक्सप्रेस करें। आज आपका दिन है, आज बच्चों का दिन है, मैं ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा, बट काइंडली आस्क स्टूडेंट द क्वेश्चंस, देखिए बच्चों का कॉन्फिडेंस कैसा है, and see it for yourself. And once again, huge shout out to all the teachers for preparing students so well, and principal ma'am for giving this platform to us. Thank you so much. Deepak, over to you.
Good morning, my name is Gurkirat Kaur. I study in first class at Nishan Public School. My model is on addition. This is my addition machine. See how it works. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green balls. 1, 2, 3. 3 pink balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Samarvi. I study in first class at Nishan Public School. Today I will tell you about clothes we wear. There are 3 types of season: summer, winter, monsoon. In summer we wear skirt, frock, hat. In winter we wear cap, muffler, socks. In monsoon we wear raincoat, gumboot. Thank you, all of you.
Morning, all of you. My name is Jacinta. I read in first class, Nishan Public School. I will tell you about sense organ. There are 5 sense organs. Ear help us to hear. Tongue help us to taste. Nose help us to smell. Eyes help us to see. Skin help us to feel. Thank you.
Greetings, ma'am and sir. My name is Hirat. I study in class 2nd in Nishan Public School. This is my model of solar system. In solar system, 8 planets are there. Name of planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury is the smallest planet and Jupiter is the biggest planet. Thank you.
Morning. My name is Sarah. I study in first class at Nishan Public School. My model is on action words. Action words are verbs that describe action like clean, bathing, reading, eating, playing, kicking, drawing, running. Thank you.
All of you. My name is Avni. I study in first class. I am going to tell you about healthy food and junk food. Healthy food is good for our health, like chapati, milk, egg, fruits and vegetables, grapes, watermelon. We should not eat junk food. If we eat junk food, we fall sick and feel tired. We are bad for our health. Like cold drink, chocolate, samosa, chips, chocolate, Maggie, pizza, ice cream. Thank you.
Ma'am, sir, my name is Arshika. I study in class 2nd in Nishan Public School. Today I am showing to you my shape model. There are 8 shapes in my model. This is 3D shape, this is 2D shape, 3D shape, this is cuboid, this is cone, this is cylinder. 2D shape, this is circle, this is square, this is rectangle, this is triangle. Morning all of you. My name is Sejal. I study in class 4. My today topic is measurement. This is a weight machine. We use this machine for heavy things like I have an apple. We check the weight with this machine. This is a measurement tape. We use this for length. This we use for notebook length, body length, and this is a plastic container. We use this for liquid things. We use for milk, water, and juice, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day. Sunati, I am studying in class 4th at Nishan Public School, Kannada. Today I am tell about states of matter. There are 3 types of states of matter. First, solid. We can hold solids as their particles are tightly packed together. For example, dough and sponge. Second is liquid. We cannot hold liquids as their particles are loosely packed together. For example, water and honey. And third is gas. We cannot hold gas as their particles are randomly arranged and not connected to each other. For example, a potato chips bag. Thank you and have a nice day. I study in 5th class in Nishan Public School. Today my topic is volcanic eruption. Molten rocks are called magma. Magma comes out, it is called lava. When Thank you. Morning everyone, my name is Ritika. I'm studying 4th class in Nishan Public School. Today I'm going to tell you countable and uncountable noun. So countable noun. Countable noun is the name of things which we can count. For example, pencil. We can count pencil, so it is countable noun. And uncountable noun. Uncountable noun is the name of things which we cannot count. For example, salt. We cannot count salt, so it is uncountable. And it is a notebook. We can count notebook, so it is countable now. And it is rice. We cannot count rice, so it is uncountable. And it is a tennis ball. We can count tennis ball, so it is countable. And it is a sanitizer. We cannot count sanitizer because it is in liquid form, so it is uncountable. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Krish Gupta. I study in 4th class. I read in Nishan Public School. Today, my topic is properties of solid. First is malleable solid. Solid that can be bent are called malleable solid. For example, clay, and dough. Second is mixed solid. Solid that are made up of different particles are called mixed solid. For example, steel, plastic, and tin. Third is pure solid. Solid that are made up of only one kind particles are called pure solid. For example, apple, potato, and onion. Fourth is brittle solid. Solid which break into pieces are called brittle solid. For example, wood, candle, and chalk. Thank you and have a nice day.
Morning all of you. My name is Anika. I study in grade 3rd. I represent the model of solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Jupiter is largest planet and Mercury is closest to Sun. We live on Earth. Thank you and have a nice day.
Morning all of you. My name is Sevka. I study in grade 5th in Nishan Public School. Today my topic is विज्ञान और तकनीक. जीवन को जीने का नया ठिकाना आ गया. विज्ञान और तकनीक का जमाना आ गया. तकनीक ने इस दुनिया को आधुनिक बनाया. हर क्षेत्र में हर दिशा में अपना परचम लहराया. लाइलाज बीमारी का भी संभव हुआ इलाज. चेहरे वह भी मुस्कुराए जो थे कभी उदास. गुजरा जमाना चिट्ठी और तारों का. मोबाइल पर होता है समाचार सारे संसार का. चिड़िया सा उड़ना जो था एक सपना तकनीक के कारण हो गया वाकई. अब तो यह सबके दिलों में छा गया. विज्ञान और तकनीक का जमाना है. धन्यवाद.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Ashmita. I am in 5th class. Today I am present at activity. My activity name is type of fraction. The definition of fraction: the equal part of the whole are called fraction. Fraction has 3 parts. First, proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. First we will do 4 by 3. So this is 4 by 3, and we will do 8 by 4. Thank you, ma'am, and have a nice day, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Dipanshi. I study in grade 3rd. My school name is Nishan Public School. Today I show a model of water dispenser from cardboard. When we open it, water is come out. When we close it, water stop. Thank you.
I study in class 4th in Nishan Public School. Today I will tell about fraction. A fraction is an equal part of a whole. First is whole. Second is half. Third is 1/3. Fourth is 1/4. Next is 1/6 and 1/8. 1/3 part of a whole. 1/4 part of a whole. 1/2 part of a whole. 1/4 part of a whole. 1/3 part of
और एक LKG में है रितिका. आज मेरे को यहाँ पे आके काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. प्रैक्टिकल हमारे टाइम में इतना प्रैक्टिकल नहीं होता था. डेली इस चीज़ को ऐसे लगता है जैसे हम खुद यहीं पे पढ़ने लग जाए. ऐसा फील हुआ मेरे को. बच्चे काफ़ी अच्छा कर रहे हैं, अच्छा एफर्ट्स कर रहे हैं स्कूल भी. अगर हम पेरेंट्स भी अगर एफर्ट्स करें हमारे बच्चे अच्छा कर सकते हैं. मेरे को सच में ऐसा लगा यहाँ पे आके. बाकी सभी बच्चों को मैं बधाई देना चाहता हूँ. आप लोगों को इतना अच्छा एटमॉस्फेयर मिल रहा है. लीड की तरफ से भी बहुत बहुत थैंक यू लीड को, ताकि बच्चों को एक ऐसी स्टडी दे रहे हैं जिसमें बच्चे खुद प्रैक्टिकल वर्क कर रहे हैं और घर पे जाके भी बताते हैं बच्चे, अच्छा लगता है। अब रैली में लग रहा है स्कूल में बच्चों की एक्टिविटी अच्छे से होता है। ओके, थैंक यू।
Really is a good thing, like schools are improving day by day. From last year, like when you start late, then students are not much confident. But in today's scenario, things are improved a lot. And I really thanks all of your teacher team and lead team, like who are encouraging students time to time. And it really is like appreciable.
Thank you.
अपनी एक्टिविटी दिखा रहे हैं, अपना एक्सपीरियंस दिखा रहे हैं कि वो घर पे क्या सीख रहे हैं और स्कूल में क्या सीख रहे हैं। कि इसमें सभी का पार्टिसिपेशन बहुत अच्छा है, पेरेंट्स का भी, टीचर्स का भी, इवन बच्चों का सबसे ज़्यादा है क्योंकि वो इंग्लिश भी सीख रहे हैं कि हाउ टू स्पीक।
Yes.
वैसे बहुत अच्छा किया सब बच्चों ने, बहुत ज़्यादा। छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, आई एम सरप्राइज्ड दैट हाउ टू दे स्पीक।
Yes. That is the most important
Yes.
thing, that they have started speaking.
यस,
That is the most important thing. And gradually, definitely, they will, grow exponentially.
Yes.
You will find this kind of speed. Thank you.
एंड जो लेट स्कूल है, जो जिन्होंने बुक्स में भी हमने देखा है कि बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है, एक्सप्लेनेशन बहुत अच्छी दे रखी है इन्होंने बुक्स में भी कि बच्चा इजी वे में सीख रहा है कि एक्चुअली इन्वायरमेंट में है क्या चीज़।
Right.
तो इन्वायरमेंटल जो सराउंडिंग है उसके बारे में नॉलेज होना बच्चे को बहुत ज़रूरी है और वो उन्हें बुक से मिल रही है। और इनमें टीचर्स का सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा पार्टिसिपेशन रहा है कि वो क्लासेस में इतना अच्छा एक्सप्लेन करते हैं बच्चों को।
Thank you so much.
उन्हें क्रैम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि हाँ हर एक चीज़ रट्टा मारी जाए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
इसमें ना